That what it is it's a shield for a president they like and a minefield for a president they don't. And it is the worst kind of a-constitutional, non-legal ruling, which is to say we decide who gets to do what and who has the power to do what. They effectively effected a legal coup, through the legal means is what I mean. There's nothing, it's legalistic, but there's nothing principled about their application of constitutional doctrine in that regard. It was an absolute sham of a ruling. It's an incredibly dangerous place to go where we effectively have, at least as long as the council of 5 or 6 is kept happy and you're doing what they want, effectively you're you're above the law. You are an outlaw in the good sense and not.
But if you upset them, it's the opposite.
Exactly.
You're an easy target.
Which is why it's a coup. Because they usurped
power.
They're
hijacking the office.
That's exactly. They hijacked a branch of government. They hijacked both of them. And they've been doing this slowly for a long time. But, this is what Thomas's project has been all along. It wasn't to make the law in the way that he substantively saw it. Because his vision of constitutional law is tortured at best. He's not the strongest mind who has been a jurist, in our lifetime, let alone across generations. But he had a principled stance of being a nihilist when it came to following what precedents he wanted to and deciding what the law should mean when he didn't.
What, just in any amount of time, what would it take to correct some of that damage that's been done or correct that exact issue?
They need to appoint more people to the court, which Congress can do with presidential
increase the
authority.
size of the court?
That's exactly right.
And Congress can do it with what?
With presidential authority or approval or 2/3 majority, which they want.
And that'll help dissolve and prevent some of this hijacking.
Will dilute the conservative. Don't even want to call it conservative. It's not quite fascist, but it's the nihilistic wing of the court who has decided power is the only thing they care about. It would dilute the nihilists to a minority. Let's say you appointed 4 justices tomorrow.